What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if you can't send the MMS messages in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all check your network connection. So if you are getting 3 or less than 3 bars of signals, it means your network is poor. So move to an area where you can get good signals, and after getting good signals you will start sending MMS messages. But after fixing the network, if you are still facing the issue, then make sure to turn on mobile data. So if your mobile data is off, you will not be able to send MMS messages. So turn on mobile data, and after that your issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue after this, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down this white circle, and when the circle gets green, then you can restart your phone by lifting up your finger, and after restarting, the mobile will start sending the MMS messages. But after all these solutions, if you're still facing the issue, then open settings, tap on more connectivity options, and then tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth, and then tap on reset settings. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and after entering the pin, password or pattern correctly, the network settings will be resetted back to default and the MMS not sending issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the won't send MMS messages issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.